Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at your homes. Welcome to School from Home. As you all know, we have started chapter number 3, Ashok's Kite, and in the previous video, we have got to know about the use of a and an articles. And in today's video, we will be learning the use of the. The third article is the. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time. That is about a particular thing. For example, there is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. We have used a before stall for the first time. And when we are talking about the same stall second time, we are using the before it. Now open your English course book volume 1, page number 36. Use of the. First of all, write down today's date. We use the when we refer to a specific naming word. For example, this is the school I study in. The tall lady spoke to all. In these sentences, the particular things we are talking about, we have used the before them. We also use the when we refer to the naming word the second time. This tells us we are referring to the same naming word. As I told you students, we also use the when we are using the same noun second time. For example, I found a pen. The pen looked shiny and new. A dog ran after us. The dog was friendly. In these examples, we are using the before the naming words when we are talking about them second time. Now come to let's try 10. Read the sentences. Write a, an or the in the blanks. One has been done for you. In this exercise, you have to fill in the blanks using a, an or the. As we have discussed earlier, the is used when we are talking about a specific thing or we are talking about the same thing second time. So, I hope you all will be able to do this exercise on your own. Now, come to let's try 11. Add a, an or the to complete this paragraph. One has been done for you. In this paragraph also, you have to use a, an or the to fill in the blanks and complete this paragraph. Students, you have to do it on your own. With these exercises, some exercises are given in practice book also, which is My Turn 7 and My Turn 8. Now come to think and share. Do you remember Timsy and her father in story Happy Feet? Do you think there is any quality that both Timsy and Ashok have? Discuss with your partner or group and share with your class. Students, do you remember Timsy and her father from the story Happy Feet? Do you think there is any quality that both Timsy and Ashok have? Yes, they both like to draw and make things. Timsy made a get well soon card for Happy Feet, and in the same way, Ashok made a beautiful kite. Now turn the page, page number 38. Think and write. Creative writing. If Timsy and Ashok were to meet one Sunday, how do you think they would spend their time together? Write your answer in your notebook in 3 or 4 lines. Students, you have to think that if Timsy and Ashok were to meet on one Sunday, what they will do together. and you have to write your answers in your English notebook. Now come to Let's Connect. Make a colorful kite. Draw a kite of your choice and color it. Hang it as a mobile in the class or on a notice board for all to see. Students, you have to draw and color a kite of your own choice, and you have to cut it out with the help of your parents and hang it in your home so that everyone can see your beautiful kite. And now come to We Care. On Makar Sankranti, we eat sweets made of sesame seed, that is also called til in Hindi, and jaggery, that is called gud in Hindi, and promise to talk sweetly to others. Can you make this promise too? क्या आप भी ये प्रॉमिस कर सकते हैं कि आप सभी से बहुत ही प्यार से, बहुत आराम से बात करेंगे? Students, we should always talk sweetly with others. With this exercise, you have to do My Turn 9 and My Turn 10 also in practice books. So this is all for today, students, and with this we have finished our chapter number 3, Ashok's Kite. I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. Don't have book or fair notebook? Maintain your work in any notebook which is available at your home. Image of each and every page is being provided to you. Do your work neatly and according to the pattern. That's all for today. We will meet soon. Till then, bye-bye.